Smell good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a dry brine on them. Keep them super simple. Put some kosher salt on them. Look how thick that salt is. That's that diamond crystal. We're gonna let them dry brine for 2 days. Then we're gonna put like some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano on there. All right, we'll see y'all at the smoker on the weekend. Took these out the refrigerator. It's Saturday. Dry brine, them things look beautiful. Go ahead and get a little binder on here. Yeah. Made this little rub up. Just a little something that I just threw together. We're gonna put it in the description box. Ain't got no salt in it because we brined it with salt already, so it's a little savory and with a hint of sweet at the end. It's that side coverage. What we going with, baby? Some hickory and some cherry. A little AMSR. How we looking?
250, favorite temp.
Look at these beautiful babies. So we're gonna let them do their thing. I'm gonna check on them 20 minutes. I'll probably do a flip or something. We're just gonna get them up to 145 degrees. We're gonna be eating. It's gonna be simple as that. This ain't gonna take long at all. Ah, that smell good. All right, baby, let's get these out. We don't want them to dry out. Right, let's get these sides. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut off this part that ain't gonna taste good and be all woody. That's why I kept them rubber band on that. I kind of use as my marker. The olive oil. Lemon up in there. And a little garlic. Salt and pepper on there. Let's get it all mixed in. Feel free, get your hands on up in there. This is the part that makes cooking therapeutic. Delicious and nutritious vegetables. All right. We're gonna take these out. Now, man, these asparagus. All right, so let's cut one of these bad boys up. We gotta take them off. We almost let them get out of range. We went 5 degrees over, so we went to about 100, 151 degrees. Look at that. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. See how juicy, flavorful. Delicious. So at these, it's not super thick. I only had to cook them about 25 minutes. At 145, at 145 degrees, probably only had to do them about 18 minutes. Got some good vegetables. Perfect. I don't think I'm gonna put it on a plate. I think I'm just gonna eat it like this. All right, catch y'all on the next one. Thank you for visiting Darryl King Barbecue. We appreciate your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day. See you again soon.